In this tutorial, I'll show you how to start Husqvarna Blower. Firstly, move the throttle control to idle. Push the air purge bulb about 10 minutes or until the fuel is visible inside it. Now, move the choke lever to closed, which is called start position. Place the blower on the ground and hold it firmly with one hand. Pull the rope slowly at first until you feel resistance, then pull it quickly like starting a lawn mower up to 6 times. Open the choke, which is move the lever to open position, and then pull the rope again up to 6 more times until it starts. Just allow the engine to run for about 30 seconds before using the blower. If the engine doesn't start, repeat from step 1, make sure there's fuel in the tank and the spark plug is in good condition. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.